Hi, Bricky. My name is Sergio with Metro Design. In the screencast, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business: Bricky Demo and Construction. Now, Joe's the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we work together to grow your clientele. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Bricky, oftentimes enrolled the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have is with hiring someone they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in the local owner still raising their hands and saying, I like you and can you please do this for me? So by the end of the video, you've liked what you heard and you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers. Go ahead and shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan to try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to go do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So within your content, to be optimized to Google, you need at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage. Now I found your homepage has about 348. Now compared to your competitors, they have about 452, which is very beatable. This just shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse for authority for Google. And every month people are searching for a certain keyword. So go over to this little tool and I have your competitor pulled up, reinventing their model. You can see that they are ranking for this keyword and these keywords down below. Now you can see this first keyword, it has 450 volume. This means how much monthly traffic this keyword is bringing into their site each month. KD is how hard it is to rank this particular keyword. Traffic is the amount of people coming from the volume to their site each month, and position is what they rank from a scale of 1 to 100. Now, bringing up here, you see you have one organic keyword. And that's totally fine. Everything is beatable in due time. Bricky Construction. If you were in this first position, you'd be getting more traffic out of this 30 volume, this keyword search each month. And it's only a 0 to rank. 0 through 5 is the specified amount you would like to rank for. Now, moving on to the next optimization section is the second most important thing I want to talk about, and we call this Google Map Pack or Maps. And on these results, you can see what business name, address, and phone number are listed for. See, business name, address, and phone number, aka NAPs. So now you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, I'll go to this little resource I like to use called YSpark, and inside the YSpark, there's a local citation finder. So with this tool, you can see the business I searched, type of business, location, Wichita Falls, Texas, and how many citations they're trying to list for, 26. Now, all of which are probably not going to be listed here because they're not credible for Google to list, which is totally fine. And you want at least double to what your local competition would have. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, CitySock, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a citation and what it is, the next thing I like to talk about is another important aspect of Google, and we call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So going back over to search, and we scroll down towards organic listings, we can see that reinventingtheirmodel.com is first on the organic. And Wichita Falls Renovation Group is second. So beyond the first page, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to be out of the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site B is getting more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a relative site, say reinventingtheirmodel.com, linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So going back to this tool, Eris, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any links juice that sites may have to offer. So I'm showing you your competitors first because they have more links and referring domains than you do, and that's totally fine. We can get yours up in due time. But looking down, we can see every single link that they are going after. And you see that they're clickable because you can go after them for your own site. So check it if you have any on yours. You have 3. So like I said, we can go back to competitors, take all of these and submit them on yours, and you have all the same links. And then you can go to another competitor that you'd be ranking against and take all theirs as well. And that's how you beat out your competition with backlinks. So the three things I went over today was your content. You would like at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage, and any service page that you'd like to offer needs at least 500. And the about page or contact page, at least 250 to be fully optimized with Google at least. And for your citations, you'd like at least double to triple what your competitor has, or 100 to 200, so you can beat out any competition in the local area, so you can be number one across Google. And for link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you will be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information today that I provide you and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio and my number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.